Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can find people or friends and families you've blocked on Roblox. So it's very much simple and easy. I have the app opened here. You can do this on your PC if you are using their web app or their website. So you just open it like this and then you move to more here. So on your more page you just scroll down here and then you move to your settings like this. So on your settings page you just move to this side, which is the privacy and content maturity. So I tap on that. I'm going to wait for it to load. It's going to take some time. So it's here. So on here, we scroll down here to blocked users. So I tap on that. So here it's going to refresh and then show all the people I've blocked on Roblox on this account. So you can see with this Roblox account, this is a new account I just created for tutorial purposes. I have nobody blocked here. If I had 10 people or 100 people blocked here, they are all going to appear here. Their profile is going to appear here. So that's it on how you can find the list of people you've blocked on Roblox. I have a video on how you can find the list of people you've blocked on WhatsApp and then on Facebook. You can check that out on my YouTube channel. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.